Similar to Taski-R series chemicals, we have Suma D-Series chemicals for kitchen cleaning. Taski and Suma are actually sister brands owned by Diversey company. Diversey was recently acquired by Solenis in 2023, which is now the parent company. Now let's come back to the topic, Suma D-Series. Here D stand for degreasers. These chemicals are safe and HACCP-compliant. Hence, you will find many professional kitchens using these chemicals. In this video, I'm going to decode the entire lineup, from D1 to D10. First, we start with D1, Suma Star. It is a manual dishwashing liquid, a high foaming detergent which is very effective in cutting grease and dried on food. Anything that goes in dishwashing area for cleaning, it will work. For example, pots, pans, china plates, whisks, spatulas, grates, etc. Like R2, D2 is also an all-purpose cleaner. This is designed for regular cleaning of hard surfaces like kitchen floors, walls, and working tables. You can clean exterior of storage bins, plastic crates. If a surface has greasy or old, stubborn, oily stains, then D2 is not enough. We require a stronger chemical, where comes D3, Suma Breakup. This is a high alkaline liquid degreaser which will strip away sticky, yellowish oil films that builds up in high heating areas of kitchen, like exhaust hoods, filters, fryers, the grease traps under the sink, wall behind frying stations, etc. Moving to next, that is D4, which comes in white tablet form, hence also called Suma Tab. These are chlorine-based tablets used primarily for sanitizing vegetables and fruits. We use diluted D4 solution for soaking leafy greens, tomatoes to kill surface bacteria, can also use to sanitize chopping boards, knives after they have been washed to ensure no cross-contamination occurs. Next we have D5, which is an acidic descaler. If you look inside any equipment using heating elements like dishwashing machine, coffee machine, water heater, or bain-maries, you will see white chalky buildup, which is limescale. D5 dissolves those mineral deposits and keep your machinery running efficiently. D6 is a glass and window cleaner. Use it for cleaning glass doors of pastry display fridge, mirrored surfaces in pantry, pass-through windows. It ensures a streak-free, crystal-clear view. Next, we have D7 Suma Inox, which is a stainless steel polish. It is white, oil-based polish used for non-food contact stainless steel surfaces, like exterior of walk-in refrigerators, fridge doors, sides of ovens, service trolleys. It leaves a protective film that resists finger marks and water spotting, so your equipment looks brand new. As we cannot use D7 on any silver surface in contact with food, for that we have D8 or Suma Silver. It is an acidic liquid used for removal of tarnish from silver and silver-plated cutlery. Instead of manual polishing, you simply dip the silverwares like knives, forks, spoons, silver service platters, etc. into the solution for about 30 seconds, which removes the black tarnish. D9 Suma Grill. As the name suggests, it is a heavy-duty alkaline cleaner specifically for ovens, grills, flat-top griddles, and salamanders. It is effective to clean carbonized grease, the black burn of food residue that is hard to clean with detergent and even after scrubbing. Lastly, we have D10 Suma Back. It is an ammonium-based sanitizer, safety spray that chefs keep nearby to quickly clean and disinfect their station between tasks. Perfect for stainless steel worktables during service, door handles, meat slices, etc. Well guys, that's all for the video. For any doubts or suggestions, comment down below. And stay tuned on Hospitality Broadcast.